unicorns, welcome to Tales of Unicorns. So if you are new to my channel, I am Harita and I make travel related videos. So if you love watching travel related videos or if you would like to support me, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel Tales of Unicorn. So you would have seen in the thumbnail, you would have seen in the title, right now I am at Munnar and I am heading out for some local sightseeing places. So keep watching the video to know those places, and before that, if you would like to know about VAGAMON, Varkala, Kodaikanal, I have uploaded all those videos on my channel. So I'll provide all the links for those videos in the description. So do check it out, and also follow me on Instagram, which is also Tales of Unicorn. I upload quite a lot of reels and posts over there. Spot number 1, Floriculture Center. It is maintained by the Kerala government and the entry fees for adults and children is 50 rupees and 25 rupees respectively. Even though it is not as huge as the Rose Garden or Botanical Garden which you visit in other places, it definitely is a treat to our eyes. This is the Neelakurunchi flowers plant, the flower which blossoms only once in 12 years. Not only flowers, they have different types of cactus in various forms and shapes as well. Quite a few people have asked me how I click pictures when I travel solo. So one method is I first choose my frame, and opposite to that I find a flat place to place my tripod, and then with the help of my Bluetooth remote I click. They have plants for sale, so you can purchase any plant you like and take them home. In the cozy, cool climate of Munnar, who would want to miss a hot sweet corn? So I got one for myself. After having this delicious sweet corn, I headed out for a spot 2, a tea plantation, where you can pay and get yourself a physical hard copy picture as a person working in the tea plantation. Spot 3, visit to a private tea factory. The entry fees for adult and children are 100 rupees and 40 rupees respectively, and along with this we also get an English speaking guide. Inside the factory, taking videos is prohibited, but you can click pictures. So first, in a television we were briefly explained about the various processing of tea, right from withering, maceration, fermentation, drying and sorting. We were also given sample tea dust to feel the texture of it during each and every step. Next, we were taken into the factory to see the process live, starting from processing till packaging. They also had a private store where you can purchase classic green tea, lemongrass tea, cardamom, ginger, cinnamon tea, etc. Spot 3, Mattupatti Dam. Honestly speaking, I did not like this place as much as I enjoyed the first two places. Since I was a bit disappointed, I boosted myself with a yummy plate of pani puri. Spot 4, Boating Center. I did not come here for any other normal boating experience. I heard there was speedboat here, so since I have not been on a speedboat before, I just wanted to try it out. So I purchased a ticket and went out to the place and stood in the queue. It looks very thrilling and I can't wait to get into the speedboat. Finally, my turn came. I showed them the ticket, wore my life jacket and got into the boat and enjoyed the experience completely. After having an amazing experience in the speedboat, my next spot was the Eco Point. After getting a ticket, I went inside and opened up to a complete stunning beauty. Standing there, I screamed out subscribe to Tales of Unicorn, but unfortunately my phone's mic couldn't capture it, but at least I hope you do. Jet skiing was something which I was looking forward to and was very eager in doing it, but unfortunately it was raining and I didn't get a chance to do it, so they refunded my ticket price. Maybe next time. Spot 8, Kundala Dam. Kundala Dam was quite picturesque when compared with Mattupeti Dam, but since it was getting late for me, neither I could spend much time here nor I couldn't click much pictures or videos, but you could definitely visit this one. On my way back, I couldn't take my eyes off Munnar's breathtaking attraction, its tea plantations. So definitely, I had to spend some time over here. When you're amidst nature sitting alone, you might feel mixed emotions. You might cry for something, you might feel happy for something. But in the end, just be grateful for what you have and what is yet to come. Because gratitude is the best attitude. Hey guys, so I'm back to my dorm after the whole day sightseeing. So this is the part 2 video of the Munnar sightseeing, and if you haven't watched the part 1 video, please go and click the link in the description to watch. So if you're watching this video right now but you are planning to go to Munnar later and you have to know quick bites about these places, go and check out my Instagram account, which is Tales of Unicorn. I've added story highlights about every place I visit, so if you just go through the highlights, you'll get a whole idea about the trip. So finally, I've come to an end in this Munnar series. So actually, this is the end of the whole week-long backpacking trip in Kerala series. So if you haven't watched my VAGAMON videos or the Munnar 10-stay videos or the Munnar sightseeing part 1, the links for all these videos are present in the description. So do check it out. Do subscribe to my channel. See you guys real soon in my next video. Until then, unleash the unicorn in you.